Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking on Instagram, organic Instagram growth. Today I'll be giving you guys the best tips on how to grow on Instagram. Guys, before we dive into today's topic, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below for you to be getting more and more of my interesting videos. On this video, you find out 6 tips that you can be able to use in growing your Instagram account. 6 best tips. So guys, let's dive into the tips. The first one is finding your niche. Finding your niche, you need to find a good niche and stick to it, not just finding it. If you find a niche, stick to it. Don't upload posts that is not relating to the niche you choose. Find a good niche and stick to it. Niche is the main thing. So getting a good niche, make sure whatever thing you're posting on your Instagram, let it be related to that niche you selected. Our number 2 tips is quality. Make sure the posts you upload are of quality by being useful to your followers. Make sure whatever thing you're posting on your Instagram are of quality to your followers, are the things your followers will find interesting. That is when I talked of quality, I mean things your followers find interesting. If you upload posts that are not interesting to your followers won't engage with such posts. So guys, make sure you find quality posts that are of interest to your followers before uploading. The number 3 tips is brand colors. Choose a brand color. Pick any 5 colors that you feel is suitable for your brand and stick to it. When I mean brand color, I mean you picking at least 5 colors. Not just any color. Pick any 5 colors that you feel is suitable and stick to it. Make sure you don't go outside your selected colors. Make sure whatever posts you are making on your Instagram are within these 5 colors. Even if the colors are not interesting to you, very soon you'll see the quality of those colors. Just pick any 5 colors and stick to them. Our number 4 tips of today is quantity. When I say quantity, I mean consistency. Be consistent. Be consistent by making as many posts as possible. Post on daily basis. Post many posts as possible. Don't even try to skip a day. And always have in mind that any post you're making must be related to your niche. Just keep posting and posting as long as it's relating to your niche. The number 5 tips, engage with your followers. Engage with your followers by liking, replying to their comments. Don't just look at your followers' comments and ignore it. Whenever someone comments on your post, you like it, you reply to the comments just to make the person feel loved. Also engage with the followers' posts as well. Whenever your followers make a post, you can comment and like as well, just to keep the mutual bond. And whatever time you post something, they'll also reply back and comment back to your post. The number 6 tips, SEO and keyword research. Make sure you do some keyword research before making an Instagram post. Always make sure you do some keyword research. Keyword research is very, very important for the growth of your Instagram. Make use of the hashtags for your keyword research. The hashtag is here for you to make use of it whenever you feel like for your keyword research. So guys, that's it on organic Instagram growth. If you stick to these Instagram tips, I believe your Instagram will grow within a short while. If you have any question, you can ask me by using the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. One more thing, please subscribe.